This is not a financial advice. Information provided is for educational or entertainment purposes only, and not personalized financial, investment, or legal advice. We explicitly stated that the content is not a professional advice, and no fiduciary relationship or no advisor-client relationship is created. We also would like to remind you that investing involves risk, including potential loss of principal. We strongly advise seeking a licensed professional before acting any investment decision. Let's predict about silver prices in 2030 based on the facts we have currently. Predictions for silver in 2030 vary significantly, but most analysts share a common theme: a strong upward trajectory driven by silver's dual identity as both a financial safe haven and a critical industrial metal. As of early 2026, we are already seeing silver trade above $100 per ounce, a historic milestone that has shifted the goalposts for 2030 forecasts. Expert price targets for 2030. Analysts have split into two main camps: the bullish structuralists and the conservative realists. Triple-digit bulls for most of the optimistic investor. One of the market well-known investor predicted that silver price will be between $130 to $300 due to supply deficits and unlimited demand from the green energy transition. However, more conservative institutional consensus stated the price will be ranged between $120 to $150 due to steady growth supported by inflation and industrial thrifting, such as using less silver per unit. However, other market algorithmic forecasts, for example, like CoinCodex or Light Finance, stated around $500 to $900 based on current 2026 momentum continuing at an exponential rate. The three massive demand engines. The reason for the optimism toward 2030 is that silver is becoming irreplaceable in the three largest technological shifts of the decade. Here is the first engine: the solar tsunami. Solar energy is projected to consume over 820 million ounces of silver annually by 2030, even as engineers try to use less silver per cell. The sheer volume of global installations is expected to overwhelm those savings. The second engine is the EV revolution. Electric vehicles use 25 to 50 grams of silver each, nearly double that of traditional cars. Between 2027 to 2030, EVs are expected to become the primary driver of automotive silver demand. Last but not least, the AI and data center boom. This is the hidden driver. Silver's unmatched electrical and thermal conductivity makes it vital for the high-power servers, switches, and cooling systems needed for 2030-era AI processing. Another important push for silver price is the supply deficit problem. Silver is currently in its fifth consecutive year of a structural deficit. One of the reasons is byproduct mining. Most silver is a byproduct of mining lead, zinc, and copper. This means even if silver prices skyrocket, miners can't just turn on the tap to get more silver. They have to mine more of the other metals first. Another reason is depleting reserves. Many analysts believe we are approaching peak silver, where the cost of extracting the remaining metal becomes significantly higher, putting a permanent floor under the price. We also need to take note of the gold-to-silver ratio perspective. If gold continues its path toward JP Morgan's forecast of $5,400 plus, many investors look at the gold-to-silver ratio to guess silver's price. If the ratio returns to its historical norm of 15 to 1, the ratio of the metals in the Earth's crust, and gold is $5,000, silver would be $333. Even at a more conservative 50 to 1 ratio, gold at $6,000 would put silver at $120. Summary verdict is here. By 2030, silver is likely to move from being the poor man's gold to the indispensable technology metal. While it will remain highly volatile, expect $20 to $30 swings in a single month. The combination of a shrinking supply and a green energy mandate makes a triple-digit price highly likely to be above $120, and the range of $90 to $100 look like the new baseline rather than a peak. If you like the information given in this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. We will try our very best to dig up information for gold, ETF, and cryptocurrency forecast. Thank you.